natin.
It's a film that everybody will be very proud of.
Quezon's story is very interesting to put on screen, and I think it would impact a lot of Filipino audiences once they see it.
Thank you to all the writers, the producers, and the directors who make films like this.
Kami po ay sobrang excited at sobrang nagpapasalamat sa suporta ninyong lahat. October 15 na po, papalabas na ang Quezon. Isang pelikula na mahal po namin.